Let's solve this question on the board very quickly. We don't want to waste time. So now we have 9 to the power of 1 over 2, all right, which is the exponent of a to the power of 3 minus 5. All this is equal to what? 27. So we want to find the value of a given this. So what we are going to do is that now if you have a to the power of 1 over 2, this can be expressed as the square root of a. So from the above exponent, we can express this as the square root of 9. So this one becomes a to the power of 3 minus 5, or to the power of the square root of 9 is equal to what? 27. Now, most of you don't understand what we mean by the square root of a number. Alright, for example, if I have the square root of 9 as I have here, now it means that how many times a number can be multiplied in two places to get 9, right? How many times a number can be multiplied in two places to get 9, which is 3. That means 3 times 3 will give you 9, which is in two places. So that means the square root of 9 will give you 3. So this one becomes a power of 3 minus 5, or to the power of 3 is equal to what? 27. Now, we have 27 here. Can we express 27 to have the same exponent with this? Yes, we can. So we are going to have a cubed minus 5, or to the power of 3 is equal to what? 3 to the power of 3 will give you 27, because 3 times 1, or 3 to the power of 1 is 3, 3 to the power of 2 is 9, 3 to the power of 3 becomes what? 27. Now, if you have a to the power of b is equal to b to the power of b, when you have the same power, you equal the base. So a here is equal to what? B. So the same thing here applicable here. So when we have the same power, we just equal the base as a cubed minus 5 is equal to what? 3. Alright, so in here, let's move minus 5 to the right hand side. That is collecting like terms, which we are going to have a to the power of 3 is equal to 3. When this cross, we're going to have plus 5. Right? Now 3 plus 5 will give you 8. So this one becomes a to the power of 3 is equal to 3 plus 5 will give you 8. Let's express 8 to have the same exponent as well. So this one becomes a to the power of 3 is equal to 2 to the power of 3. Alright, so we have when the both powers are the same, you equal the base, which means that the value of a is equal to 2, and this happens to be our final answer. Like, share, comment, follow, subscribe.